Probably the most important part of creating a workbook, other than writing it of course, is saving it. For example, if the power were to go out right now, all of our hard work would be gone unless we'd saved it to a file. Move up here to this set of commands called the Quick Access Toolbar and click Save. The first time you save a workbook, you come to this area called the Backstage. You won't find any formatting commands here. The Backstage is all about opening, saving, printing, sharing, exporting, and modifying Excel options. In other words, all that behind-the-scenes stuff. When you first save a workbook, you come here to Save As. You choose whether you want to save it to your computer or to the cloud using Office 365 SharePoint or OneDrive. I've already signed in to my online account, so now I can click here and browse for a location on my OneDrive. Enter a file name and click Save. It's just like saving to a computer, except that now I can access the file on any computer connected to the internet. Or I can share it with others by sending an email message containing a link to the online file. When you want to show your workbook to others, click Save one last time. Then click the File tab to go to the Backstage. Click here to print the workbook. See a preview of how the workbook will look after it's printed. Select a printer in the list, then click Print. You can also export your workbook in a number of formats, such as PDF. Up next, we'll expand our workbook by inserting more columns and rows.